Hello guys, in this tutorial we will tell you how to link your Firebase project to Bigquery. Go to Firebase console and sign into your account. Once you have signed in, click Get Started and you'll be redirected to your Firebase project section. Here you will see all your listed projects. Now select your existing project and you'll be redirected to your Firebase project overview page. Next, click the cogwheel icon in the side menu and then click Project Settings. On the Project Settings page, navigate to the Integrations tab. From here, you can integrate different products into your Firebase project. Now, let's link Bigquery for your project. Go to Bigquery card and then click Link. Once done, you'll be redirected to the Bigquery section. Here you can check the details about linking your Firebase project to Bigquery. Scroll down the page and click Next. Under Configure Integration, turn on the Google Analytics toggle. Please note, you can set the location for your Bigquery dataset and manage the export settings if you want. After enabling the Google Analytics toggle, scroll down to the bottom of the page and then click the Link to Bigquery button. Once done, your Firebase project will be successfully linked to Bigquery. That's all for now. Please proceed to the next video to complete the process of setting up Firebase Analytics for your app.